Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Trigger warning. Golden Boy. I'm 19, male, and here's a story about my life. I have a confession to make. This is not a secret anymore because this is now known by everyone close to me, my relatives, and loved ones. People see me and my life as something they always look up to. I'm so good at games. I never run out of money. I'm confident. I'm an honor student. But deep down, nobody really knows the truth. I hide the dark secret from everyone. I am a rape victim. This happened when I was 12 up until I was 16. My brother, who is now 25, molested, sexually assaulted, and forced me to do things with him while I was a young kid. Sure, 12. Bakit nga ba ako pumayag? I did not know it was a bad thing back then. I was never exposed to porn not until I was around 13 or 14. He touched me. I was threatened because he was the golden boy of our family. From grades 1 to 10, he was a valedictorian and a first honor student. In grade 12, he graduated with the highest honor. In college, he graduated magna cum laude. Hindi alam ng family ko mga pinaggagawa niya sa akin, pero hindi ko na kinaya dahil palagi siyang pinapamper ng family ko, and I just could not take it anymore. I could not handle what I was seeing because he would get everything he wants just because he is our academic achiever. Mind you, my family is academically successful, but my brother has broken all of the achievements our family has earned, and he set a new standard to our family academic-wise. Now, I don't talk to my brother nor my family because they betrayed me. I once told my family this story about how I was raped by him. They were furious at him, but in the end, they still sided with him. Until now, I'm living on my own, being financially supported by my uncle because I don't have a family anymore. Or at least I don't treat my own family like one.